What's up, YouTube? Gio here. I'm on my way home back from Miami. I was down there at TMM Appliance Seal System training class with Richard. Oh man, I tell you, woo! I learned so much today. It's like having a brain explosion. I mean, there is nothing better than hands-on. You know, hands-on training. There is nothing better than hands-on training, and especially learning from such a seasoned pro. You know, like Mr. Richard. You know, like TMM Appliance, Brother B. You know, they've been at it. They've been at it for years. They've been in the game for years. You know, so you know, just being around them, and you know, I'm just absorbing, just absorbing and just soaking up everything I can. It's so much great info. It's so much tips and tricks, and you know, you see, you get to see that, you know, a lot of things, the way you've been doing it necessarily is not really the best way at times. You know, because I'm used to being self-educated, like, you know, I don't have to, my way of thinking is, you know, I don't really have to go in a class and stuff like that in order to learn anything, you know. When I want to learn something or know more about something, I hit the road running and you know, start doing research and all my due diligence and stuff like that. You know, that way I can educate myself about, you know, the topic and stuff. But, whew, you know, with this seal system and, you know, being in the classroom and, you know, being with Richard, and, you know, he's giving me a lot of tips and tricks and, you know, letting me know a lot of things that I didn't know, and, you know, hey, do this way, you know, it works better. And oh man, having that hands-on training, and you know, just being around those guys, and you know, having people like that in your circle to kind of, you know, elevate you, you know, make you have something to aspire about, and you know, woo, oh man, I'm here driving home. It's late. It's after 12 midnight. I'm still a while from home, you know, about an hour, but man, woo, feel so fired up, y'all. Man, I tell you, all that learning and everything I learned there, you know, just got me all hyped, you know, just learned so much, you know, woo. Just perfecting my craft, man, you know, that way I can go out here and, you know, get these jobs done in no time, you know, cut down on my time, you know, get these jobs done. So, yeah, I definitely recommend it, you know, whatever you guys doing, you know, getting that hands-on experience, that even if it's not from a classroom, you know, but getting that field training experience, you know, is definitely priceless. Definitely priceless. And man, whew, all the info and everything I learned, I'm definitely looking forward to, you know, tremendously improving my game out there, you know, tremendously. So just want to share that with you guys. Hit up the like, share, subscribe button, and do me a favor real quick before you guys go. Do me a favor, right down below, hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. Really appreciate the support. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Thank you so much.